Welcome to the Big Sweep, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kelly, and today we're mastering the art of home organization with the revolutionary Big Sweep method. Are you feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Does the mere thought of tidying up make you cringe? Today, we're tackling more than just the mess. So grab your notebooks, unleash your inner organizational guru, and prepare to transform your living space into an oasis of serenity. The Big Sweep method, 5 pillars of organization harmony. The Big Sweep method is built on 5 core principles, your pillars to organizational enlightenment. Forget fad diets and quick fixes. This is a sustainable approach that empowers you to conquer clutter and reclaim your space. Buckle up and let's dive into each pillar. Pillar number 1, declutter with compassion, not chaos. Imagine this. You open your closet and instead of a clothes avalanche, you see neatly organized outfits. Sounds dreamy, right? Decluttering is crucial, but let's approach it with kindness, not panic. Donate gently used items, recycle what you can, and give your precious sentimental items a designated memory lane box. Remember, decluttering is about creating space for what you truly love, not just throwing things away. Pillar number 2, categorize and conquer. Chaos thrives in confusion. Let's combat it with the power of categorization. Group similar items together. Cookbooks with cookbooks, spices with spices. Use clear containers and labels, not cryptic messages that only you can decipher. Remember, clarity is your friend, and a well-organized space is a stress-free space. If you're finding value in this video this far, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you get all of the future episodes. Tell us in the comments below what your favorite pillar is, and if you have any pillars of your own. We really want to hear your thoughts. Now back to the video. Pillar number 3, embrace multifunctional magic. Limited space shouldn't limit your organizational dreams. Think multifunctional furniture. Ottomans with hidden storage, beds with built-in drawers, wall-mounted shelves that double as display areas. Get creative, utilize vertical space. And remember, every item deserves a designated and functional home. Pillar number 4, routine is your rhythm. Organization isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle choice. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes daily to quick tidying tasks, like putting things away after use or wiping down surfaces. These mini routines prevent clutter buildup and keep your organized havens sparkling. Remember, consistency is key. Pillar number 5, personalize your perfection. Your organizational journey is unique. Don't get bogged down by trends or unrealistic expectations. Embrace your personality. Incorporate colors and textures you love, and create a space that reflects your personal style and brings you joy. Remember, it's your home, your organization, and your definition of perfection. Mastering your domain, your turn to sweep. Now, it's your turn to wield the metaphorical broom and sweep away the clutter. Remember, the Big Sweep method is your guide, not a rigid rulebook. Experiment, personalize, and most importantly, celebrate your progress. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite pillar from the Big Sweep method? And share your own organization hacks and tips to inspire others. We love to hear from you. Click here to check out more organizational tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something valuable today. Subscribe to the Big Sweep for more organizational inspiration and ring the notification bell to never miss an episode. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.